Sa mga kabataang Pinoy na mahilig mag-football, may pagkakataon na kayong matuto mula sa isang world-class na football club. At yan po ay ang FC Barcelona Escola. Simula ngayong araw na ito, magsasagawa sila ng mga football summer camp. Umpisa yan sa lungsod ng Muntinlupa. Nakatutok si Victoria Tulad.
Sa isang pambihirang pagkakataon, isang football summer camp kasama ang mga coach ng premyadong soccer team na FC Barcelona Escola ang sinimulan sa bansa. Sa pakikipagtulungan sa Pinoy football team na Socceroo, personal na tuturuan ni na Coach Jordi Blanco at Jose Moratalia ang mahigit 140 kabataan.
The state of Philippine football now is from 2 to 3 years ago is very different. With the help of Philippine ASCOS has been very strong.
Ikinatuwa naman ng Spanish coaches ang pagkahilig ng mga Pinoy sa football.
The methodology basically is that we have the ball. If we have the ball, we can score. To keep the ball, you need to move a lot. And to have the ball and to keep the ball possession, you need to be good in techniques.
Isa sa mga kalahok ang 11 taong gulang na si Jacob. Kwento ng kanyang inang si Melanie, 4 na taong gulang pa lang si Jacob ay mahilig na siya sa football. Noong nakaraang taon nga, pumunta pa raw sila ng Singapore para makasali sa FC Barcelona Escola Football Camp doon.
I feel excited that they're here in the Philippines. I like football because it's a team sport. You have to work a lot. You have to be fast. You need to be strong. And it's a lot fun too.
They've always said that Filipinos are good for football kasi there's no height requirement. There's speed, which we have. I think it's good that the Filipinos are now into football.
Gagawin ang football summer camp mula April 17 to 21 sa Alabang, Muntinlupa. Samantala, isang batang Pinoy ang kasalukuyan ngayong nagte-training sa ilalim ng FC Barcelona Escola. Isa si Sandro Reyes sa 2 lang sa buong mundo na nakapasok at nabigyan ng scholarship. Sa mga nangangarap maging football player, payo ng FC Barcelona Escola,
If you really like football, if you want to develop and being good in football, of course you can. It's only time. If they put passion in what they do, at least they get.
Victoria Tulad, Nakatutok, 24 Oras.